Disclaimer: these are my rules, not the rules. Use it, improve it, or trash it. Tip 6. Habits. In the process of becoming a better producer, one key factor is the amount of time you spend literally in front of your computer making beats. Day by day, life compromises used to force us to struggle finding the right time, and the progress and objectives in music slow down. One of the things I think is really important here is to ask yourself, how important is music in my life? On a scale from 1 to 10. If your answer is more than 5, then the music production should be probably part of your daily routine. Making a new habit takes time. There's a lot of literature out there about this topic, but the easiest way is to put a starting point of a minimum 10 minutes a day and improve on it. Your music will reach a new level in a short amount of time for sure. The biggest lie here, in my opinion, is the usual answer: I would love to, but I don't have time. I think that answer should be replaced for: I would love to, but I don't want to leave the comfort zone to make a new habit.